What is up, tech family? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have our hands on something truly phenomenal, a device that is genuinely pushing the boundaries of what a compact laptop can do in the year 2026. We are looking at the brand new Dell XPS 13-9350. Now, if you have been following the tech space for any amount of time, you already know that the Dell XPS lineup has essentially been the gold standard for premium Windows Ultraportables. For years, it has been the laptop that executives, creators, and students have lusted after. But this year, Dell is not just giving us a processor bump, they are fundamentally changing the way we interact with our machines by making this a certified Copilot Plus AI PC. We are talking about the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, a staggering 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, a massive 1 terabyte solid-state drive, and a fluid 120 Hz display. Is this the absolute best laptop you can buy right now for business, entertainment, and student life? We are going to break down every single detail. And really quickly, before we dive into the deep end, if you want to check the current pricing, read user reviews, or pick one of these up for yourself, I have put the official Amazon affiliate link right at the top of the video description. Make sure to click that link to see if there are any hidden discounts or sales running today. Let us start by talking about the absolute masterpiece that is the design and build quality of this machine. When you're spending your hard-earned money on a premium laptop, you want it to feel like a premium laptop, and Dell has absolutely nailed it. This specific model comes in a sophisticated, gorgeous platinum silver finish. It's crafted from premium materials that make it feel incredibly rigid, with absolutely zero flex in the chassis or the keyboard deck. But the most mind-blowing aspect of this design is its physical footprint. The dimensions are just 11.62 inches long, 7.84 inches wide, and an unbelievable 0.6 inches thick. To put that into perspective, it's barely thicker than your smartphone, and it weighs a mere 2.6 pounds. If you're a business professional running through airport terminals or a college student hauling your life across a massive campus inside a backpack, this weight is an absolute lifesaver. You will honestly forget that you even have a high-performance computer in your bag. It's the very definition of featherlight luxury. Opening up the lid, you are greeted by what might be one of the most stunning visual experiences on an ultra-portable today. The Dell XPS 13-9350 features a 13.4-inch LCD panel with a native FHD Plus resolution of 1920 by 1200. You'll notice that it uses a 16 by 10 aspect ratio rather than the traditional 16 by 9. That extra vertical screen real estate is a massive game changer. It means you can see more lines of code, read more of a PDF document, or view more rows in your Excel spreadsheets without having to constantly scroll. But the true star of the show here is the display maximum refresh rate. Dell has finally blessed us with a 120 Hz screen. If you have never used a 120 Hz display on a laptop, let me warn you, it will completely ruin standard 60 Hz laptops for you. Every single animation, every time you minimize a window, every time you scroll down a busy web page, it feels incredibly fluid, instant, and butter smooth. Combine that fluid refresh rate with Dell's notoriously thin screen bezels, and the visual immersion for both work and entertainment is simply unmatched. But of course, a beautiful laptop is nothing without the raw horsepower to back it up. Under the hood is where the 2026 Dell XPS 13 really flexes its muscles. This machine is powered by the revolutionary Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor. This is an advanced 8-core CPU with a base speed of 2.2 GHz, but when you push it with heavy workloads, it can boost all the way up to a blistering 4.8 GHz. However, raw speed is only half the story. We are living in the era of artificial intelligence, and this chip features a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU. Because this is an official Copilot Plus PC running Windows 11 Pro, it handles everyday tasks in ways older laptops simply cannot. Things like real-time AI eye tracking during video calls, instant live language translations, localized background removal, and advanced smart search queries are all processed locally right here on the device. This means your data stays private, the tasks happen instantly, and it does not drain your battery life because it's not constantly pinging cloud servers. Now let us talk about the memory configuration, because this is where my jaw literally dropped. This tiny lightweight machine is packing 32 gigabytes of onboard DDR5 RAM, and it's not just any RAM, it's running at a clock speed of 8,533 megahertz. That is currently some of the fastest memory available on the consumer market. When you pair that unbelievable memory speed with the massive 1 terabyte NVMe solid-state drive, system bottlenecks simply cease to exist. You can hoard 100 Google Chrome tabs, render high-resolution video clips, compile complex software code, and run heavy corporate databases all at the exact same time without experiencing a single stutter. Handling the graphics side of things is the Intel Arc graphics engine. While this is not a dedicated gaming laptop, the Intel Arc coprocessor delivers fantastic performance for light gaming, photo editing in Photoshop, and seamless 4K media playback, turning this business machine into a highly capable creative companion. Moving down to the deck, let's discuss everyday usability. The keyboard is a spacious edge-to-edge QWERTY layout with a gorgeous uniform backlight that makes working in dimly lit airplane cabins or late-night coffee shops a breeze. Typing on this machine feels incredibly tactile and responsive. Integrated right into the hardware is a snappy fingerprint reader for biometric security. Your data stays completely locked down, secure, and accessible only to you with a single touch. And if you prefer facial recognition, the upgraded 1080p RGB webcam tucked into the top bezel supports Windows Hello, so the laptop unlocks the moment you sit in front of it. That same webcam delivers crisp, clear, and vibrant video quality for all your Zoom meetings and Microsoft Teams calls, ensuring you always look professional. Now, Ultraportables usually come with a compromise, and historically that compromise has been the port selection. The laptop itself features 2 high-speed Thunderbolt 4 ports. These ports are incredibly versatile, supporting blazing fast data transfer, external display output, and power delivery to charge the device. However, you might be thinking that 2 ports are not enough for a power user. Well, here's why this specific Amazon package is a massive win. Inside the box, alongside the laptop and the compact 60-watt AC adapter, you also get a premium 7-in-1 USB-C hub by IST Computers. That means right out of the box, you don't have to worry about buying expensive dongles. You can plug in your older USB Type-A flash drives, read your SD cards, and connect to external monitors instantly. Finally, let's touch on wireless connectivity and software. Dell is completely future-proofing you for the next decade. This machine comes equipped with the brand new Wi-Fi 7 standard, Bluetooth version 5.4. Wi-Fi 7 means you get access to wider wireless channels, lightning-fast download speeds, and incredibly low latency, which is perfect if you are working on highly crowded office networks or busy university Wi-Fi. As for the operating system, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. This is a crucial detail because the Pro version unlocks professional features like BitLocker device encryption, remote desktop support, and advanced enterprise management tools, making it the perfect choice for corporate deployment or serious business owners. So bringing this all together, what is the final verdict on the Dell XPS 139350? Honestly, Dell has hit an absolute home run. It is no surprise that it holds a perfect 5 out of 5 stars in early customer reviews. It beautifully bridges the gap between insane portability, premium executive style, and next-generation AI efficiency. Whether you are a business professional needing rock-solid security, a college student looking for a reliable, lightweight machine to last through your entire degree, or a tech enthusiast who wants the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Intel Core Ultra technology, this laptop delivers on every single front. If you are ready to upgrade your mobile workstation, or if you just want to check the current live pricing and read what other buyers are saying, make sure to click the Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. Buying through that link helps support the channel directly at absolutely no extra cost to you, and it allows us to keep bringing you these in-depth, unbiased tech reviews. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another tech update, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think about Dell's new AI PC architecture. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.